we will solve this question number 2. What is the net sale by city? Sort the results in ascending order. So we can see there are two terms, the net sale and the city. Also we have to sort in ascending order. Alright, so jump into the dashboard. You can see there's a sales tab here, and drag it onto the dashboard. So we know that the sales value is a currency, so we can format it. Just follow the steps and the sales tab will show it as a currency. We know it is in US dollars, so I'm selecting US dollars. So here we have the sales, total sales is $2.3 million. So we have to show it by city, so we drag the city tab onto the sales tab. So we have this visualization. This is not very interesting, so we can change it. We can change it to a column visualization, so it can show us more visualization and data. So here you can see the sales are being displayed by the cities. The question said to sort it in the ascending order, so right click on the sales tab and sort it in ascending order. So here we have sorted the results. We can do one last thing, that is to show the value labels on the visualization. So click on the chart and then properties, visualization, and in chart options you will see show value labels. So the value labels are being shown as well on the visualization. Here if I can zoom in, and you will see that each city has a different sales value as being displayed. So this was question number 2. You can also increase the size of the text, so you know it gets more visible and readable easily. So here you go.